Hey guys, it's Eve with Off Leash Canine Training. Here we have 8-month-old Koda. She is a Husky. She's here for our 2-week board and train. Her mom's main issues are that Koda only listens when she wants to, and she is worried that if she has her off leash, she's going to go run off and do her own thing, which is what we don't want. So with the 2-week board and train, we're going to whip her into shape. She's going to be able to come when her mom calls her. She's going to listen to all the commands, and her mom is going to feel much better about having her off leash, knowing that Koda will be safe. So let me show you what she can do. Koda, can you come? Koda, come. Come. Koda, can you sit? Good sit. Good sit, Koda. Down. No, not paw. Down. No, not paw. Place. Koda, place. So as you see, she kind of does things when she wants to. She has her own agenda. So by the end of the 2 weeks, she'll be listening to all of the commands. She'll be listening to her mom. Her mom will have peace of mind when she has her off leash, and she'll be a better dog. Can't wait for you to see her progress.